good morning students. Now we are going to see about this search. What is meant by search? Okay, search is nothing but root value, root 3, root 7, root 10. These are the search. We already know if it is a prime number, inside the root is a irrational number. So these numbers are irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are said to be a search. Okay, its name is a search. Irrational number inside the root is called as a search. So that's what is given in your definition. A search is an irrational root of a rational number. So what they mentioned, it is a irrational. Inside the root is a irrational, but inside the root we are having a is a rational number. So 1 or 3 or 7, whatever it is, that should be a rational number, right? So a is a rational number. The root means as a irrational number. So we are having a irrational number is a search. So provided n in a natural number, it's nothing to worry about. Is n in a natural number and a is a rational number. That's it. Okay. So normally how we are say search is an irrational number. Search is an irrational number. Whoever is having a rational number, that is a search. Okay. So order of a search. Order of a search means it depends upon your index. If you are having a index in this place 2, right? So order of root 3 equal to what? 2, because in this place I am having root 2. Okay, so if you are having a 599 means what is the index? So I am having my root value is 5. So order of means number of index. That's what they mention. That's what they mention in this. The index of the root to be exact. So what they mention in the index, that is what order of the search. It should be mentioned in your question also. So we have types of the search. Okay, order of the search. So I think 6 or 7 types. Okay, one of the type is a search of the same order. What is the same order? Okay, same order is nothing but if you are having in your root is we are having a different types of the order. We are having a root is 2. So these are the root is 2. Okay, in this place 2, in this place 2, in this place 2. So second order. So it is a quadratic search. So if you are having your root is 3, your order is 3 means it should be. So this is 3. So if you write 3 AB also, so your order is 3. So that is a cubic search. If you are having lots of type 2 also having 3 also having 4 also having 5 also, it's a different order we having. Okay, that is a search of the same orders. Okay, some order is having, so it depends upon the index only. The simple form of the search. Simple form of the search means so what they mention is expressed as a product of the rational factor. So what they mention, if you are having a root 2 5, so multiply with 2, so it is a rational number, it is a irrational. Okay, so I am multiplying rational as well as the irrational. This is the simplest form it may come. So it should be what kind of mention, the smallest possible index of the radical sign. So what is the radical sign? Your root. So smallest possible, so it's a 2, right? So it's the smallest, and no fraction used for the radical sign. In this root, if this is a 2 or 3, whatever it is, should be a natural number, do not be a fraction form. Okay, so whether you are having a root 3 by 2, it's not possible, right? That's only they mention. Your index not be a fraction form, and no factor in the form a power n, where a is a positive integer index. So what they mention in this place is x equal to what? R equal to x power n, right? So x equal to root n r. We are having like this. Sorry, r per n, whatever letter you want to take, no problem. So root nx. So inside should not be a power. That's only they mention. A per n is not power. That's it. Okay, that's the simplest form. Yeah, simplest form. Okay, so in this place pure and mixed search. Pure and mixed search means in this place we are having 1 into root 3 only. In this place 1 into root 6. In this place 1 into root 7. So we are having only multiply with 1. So if you are having multiply with some other number means that is called as a mixed search. That is called as a mixed. If you are having 5 into root something, 2 into root value something means that is a pure search means multiply with 1 alone. Mixed search means multiply with more than 1 except 1. Okay, that is a so what they mentioned, coefficient coefficient in the simplest form is 1. So in this place I am having 1 into this value. So okay, in this place coefficient of the simplest form is other than 1. So if you are having a except 1, so 5, 2 like this, multiply with that root into some other number is a mixed surd. Simple and compound surd. Simple surd means nothing but normally you can write single terms only, simple surd. And the component means we already know addition and subtraction. So if you are adding 2 surds means that is adding or subtracting 2 is a component surd. So binomial surd means if you are adding and subtracting, right? So maybe one number should be irrational, that's no problem. One is a rational number, another is a irrational number. So that is a binomial surd. Okay, addition or subtraction, both of the rational and another surd. So one is a rational, third is a irrational. Okay, one is a normal number, another one is a root value. That's a no problem. That is a binomial surd. That's it. Okay. So in this place we are going to learn about the rational radical notations. What are the radical notations we are having? So this and this will get cancelled. So a. So you can write. So this and this will get cancelled. You are having a. The same 1 by n. So if you multiply with this, I am getting n by n. So n will get cancelled. So a. So these are the possibility we are having. So the both the index is common means you can write. So if you are having root 2 into root 3 means I can write 2 into 3. So root 6. This is one of the rules. Okay. So in this place the same. It's nothing but in the index format 1 by n. So normally we are going to b power 1 by 2. So how can I write whole power 1 by n? That's it. Okay, nothing worry about this. If it is a common power means you can multiply and write a common. Okay. Then a. So this is my n. So within the root, if we are having a double root means I can write multiply of this. I can write like this. Okay, m into n. That's it. The same process. So how can I write? So if it is in the index, say a power 1 by n whole power 1 by m means how can we write? So a into 1 by n into 1 by m equal to a power 1 by m n. That's equal to root of m and a. That's only they given like this. So if you have a root a n by root, so we are having a common index. So common division to be so same power. For example, 5 by root 2 means I am having a same root. So 5 by 2 I can write. That's it. This is a basic concept.